how to fix Reddit error 401 problem. To do this, we need to download MT Manager. You can either use the link in the description below or search for MT Manager's website in your browser and download the app. After downloading the app, we open it. Then navigate through Storage, Emulated, Zeros and Download folders. Here what we need to do is find Reddit sync among our downloads. After finding it, we click Sync and then View. Click any .dex file. Select Dex Editor Plus and continue. Click Select All and then OK. From the top options, click Strings. Click Filter, type sl.reddit in the search bar and press OK. Here, we need to change all SSL certificates. Change them one by one. After making changes, go back and click Save and Exit. Click OK and close this. Now you can check if the Reddit error 401 problem is solved or not.